My name is Kaylee Phillips, and today I'm going to be talking about artificial intelligence and specifically how it is used in a educational setting. So, what is artificial intelligence? In simpler terms, artificial intelligence is smart machines. So everyday technology that can reason on a human level. AI is a branch of computer science that can make decisions that usually would require a human level of expertise. So in this video, I will be talking about how artificial intelligence is adopted, utilized, and integrated in the educational world. So AI is not meant to replace teachers, but simply fill in the gaps to help with learning and teaching to ultimately make it easier on everyone. So AI in the US is said to grow by 47% from 2017 to 2021, according to the AI market in the US educational sector in the educational world. So how is AI being used or adopted currently? I have a couple examples that teachers and specifically districts are currently using right now in classroom settings or admin settings as well. So the first example I have is adjusted learning software. So it's based on each student's needs. AI will allow different levels for teachers who have multiple children in a class. This makes it easier and possible to meet each student's needs. So another example is universal access for all students. So this applies particularly to those who speak different languages or those with visual or hearing impairments. One example of that is a presentation translator, and this is a tool used with PowerPoint that creates subtitles in real time when teachers are having discussions or having lessons. This would be a great tool for virtual learning as well. So the last example for AI is programs made for tutoring and studying. So these three examples cover just a small range of how AI is being utilized in the education world right now. So a couple things that I found interesting or surprising. Usually people assume that AI is like robots taking over teachers' positions, but that is not the case. So I found it really interesting that it wasn't so much taking the teacher's place, but just helping alongside the teacher in the classroom. So I found all of my sources and information and facts on brookings.edu and forbes.com. So my opinion on AI is, at first, my initial thought of artificial intelligence was, like I said, robots replacing teachers. But after doing in-depth research, I soon found out that it was quite the opposite, and it's not made to replace, but to simply help. So I think that this is a great concept because working in the education field already, teachers are already just pulled every which way. And so using these resources would be a great way to accommodate to all students on different levels of learning.